Good on the city for going ahead with the backyard beekeeping project. We should all work to be more self-sufficient, and honeybees appear to be a good step in that direction. It took some education for me to understand after a fight I had with some black and yellow dive bombers. A wasp landed on my raw steak right beside my barbecue, and he looked like he was trying to saw off a little piece of meat. I was so fascinated I just stood there and watched him. Took off with some of my steak, and then later I'm working in the yard and another wasp comes along and stings me right through my glove. So it was good to learn that honeybees don't have that temperament. Now I hope the next step is chickens in the backyard. That would provide some fertilizer for the garden and those wonderful fresh eggs. You know, in Calgary, when they discuss whether to allow chickens, someone is quick to add, but don't allow any roosters. We don't want to wake up that early in the morning. Now, I don't agree with everything they do at City Hall, you know that. But one thing is sure, we are moving forward on a number of fronts. This is not a caretaker council. It's one that looks at new ideas and sees whether they can work. Let me know what you think. I'm Bob Layton.